My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. From the comfort of my chair, I make a pretty good amount of money, and I'm going to show you how I do it. But I have a day job, a regular 9 to 5, which makes it much harder for me to buy shoes. For the most part, I can make it work out. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. What's going on? It is Sunday, January 13th, and we are going to be dropping this gang of sneakers to Stadium Goods. Okay, so when we were on our way home from Stadium Goods, I checked my seller's portal, and it turns out that they are missing a whole Yeezy 350 reflected. So we are back at Stadium Goods. We're gonna ask them, yo, what happened to my shoes? Now the good thing is we have the footage of me putting the shoes on top of the counter. So in case they say, oh, you guys never brought it in, then at least I can show them, like, these are how many shoes we dropped off, and these are how many shoes that are in my system. So we're gonna go in there right now, and hopefully we can get this fixed, because this is honestly crap. So let's do it. Just got back from Stadium Goods, and apparently what had happened was one of my shoes got mixed in with somebody else's account. So if I had not said anything, I would have lost a pair of Yeezys that I could have sold for $500. It's Monday morning, on my way to work, and I thought the whole Stadium Goods ordeal was finished already. But when I woke up this morning to check my seller's account, my Yeezy reflective size 10s are missing again. So I might have to take a trip to Stadium Goods today, which I really don't want to do because I live like 40 minutes away. I just got home and I got a package in the mail from Foot Patrol, but I gotta do this unboxing quick because I gotta get to Flight Club at Stadium Goods before they close. So I have 4 human races that I have to bring over to Flight Club. I think the way it works is that you have to submit what you are selling before you drop it off. Yeah, I've never done it before, so I just hope everything goes smoothly. Finished dropping off at Flight Club. I'm gonna go into Stadium Goods right now and see what they have to say. Yesterday I dropped off a pair of Yeezys and it just disappeared from my account. So yeah, we found it. It's not there again today when I checked. Like, it's just not on my seller portal account. Yeah, for sure. It just showed up. Nah, it's fine. Gave me a heart attack though. I just picked up another check from Stadium Goods, and as far as the Yeezys, apparently when I got there, it just went straight back into my account. So all I gotta say is I hope that does not happen again. Please do not let me go through that stress again. Stadium Goods. It is the 15th, and a little later, the SB Dunk Pigeons will be dropping on Nike sneakers. This is for anyone that's not familiar with this release procedure. On the Sneakers app or the Sneakers launch website, each person can enter the raffle within a time limit. Usually it's 10 or 30 minutes. After the time limit expires, Nike will choose the entries at random and let you know whether or not you won the raffle. With the help of my girlfriend Joy, we were able to attempt 7 raffle entries. What's going on? I'm on my way home, and today we took L's on the pigeons, but that's okay, I don't feel so bad. I checked the cook groups, which has about like 2,000 people, and I think I saw like 4 or 5 people who posted their success. So I think these were super duper limited. They might drop in other places. Concepts hasn't dropped yet, so will I get them? We'll see. I'm not so sure. Alright, I just got home from work and it is January the 17th, and today Nike blessed me with the PGX NASA collaboration. I do think these are going to somewhat break once people get them in hand, so what I have to do is list them on eBay as a pre-order, and usually I can get a lot more profit out of that. A little later on during the day, the off-white black Air Force Ones restocked on Undefeated, and I didn't have my account pool set, so I took a big L. As soon as it dropped, I set it up so I can run for restocks. And then 3 minutes later, the Vault colorway restocked, and I was on it real quick, and I happened to cop. Boom, I got it. I was so excited. I got out of my chair, and I know Undefeated loves to cancel. They cancel so much. 3 minutes later, I checked my email and I was like, all right, bet, no cancel yet. So I'm just, you know, chilling, and then I get an email. Your Undefeated order was canceled. So I was like, damn, that really sucks. So I was just, you know, I was doing my thing. I was packing boxes, being a good employee. And then I sit back on my chair. Guess what? The off-white Zoom Flies restocked while I was doing something else across the room, packing some boxes. I'm sure other resellers can relate with this, but I did get exclusive access, so 1 W is better than none, so I'll be taking that. Thank you, Nike. Today is Friday, January 18th, and some stuff went down while I was at work today, and the good news is I recorded all of it. First thing, the Fear of Gods had a sneakers pass, and I got the Ring of Death, so took a L. Next thing, the shoot around Fear of Gods had a sneakers pass, and for that one, my boss decided to talk to me at the perfect time. So I was like pressing on my phone while I was looking at him in the eye, like, yeah, oh, okay, alright, oh, that's how you do it. So yeah, that's why there's a little bit of a delay on sneakers pass from the time when it says reserved now and from when I actually press the button, because I was not paying attention. But big boss man, I'm not mad at you, because, you know, I'm at work, I'm not really supposed to be even doing this stuff. That probably would have been an L anyway, so I don't care. Next thing, a little bit later on, the Air Force One Black restocked on Undefeated again. I was looking at my tasks and it was like login required, and I'm like, bro, I know that. So then I look at my settings and my login required is off and it has to be on for Undefeated. Love it. So I kind of knew that the vaults were also going to restock after that. So what I did was I did all my settings correct. They did restock. So boom, I was on that again. And I got the profile already used bug. This is a bug in Nike Shoebot right now. Some people are having some trouble with it, and unfortunately I was hit with it. One thing that you are going to learn about resellers is that we take a lot of L's. Lots and lots and lots of L's. And sometimes on the screen, you guys may think like we hit on every single release. Sometimes we do, but the W's that we get still do help us make a pretty good amount of money. Tomorrow, there are some important drops, so let's get to it. It is the 19th and there is 20 seconds before the drop, so I gotta focus. Okay, it looks like Lapstone and Hammer was the only one that dropped the shoes, but I don't think they loaded any stock at all, so time to enter my Nike accounts. kids just dropped them.
We're taking L's for now, but at 11 o'clock in about 30 minutes, Dover Street Market, New York is going to have a scheduled drop. Okay, started my kickstation tasks. There it is. Okay, I think Eve is doing work right now. They have a pretty good distribution of sizes. I think the babe shoes dropped. I don't see it though. No, just kidding. I saw some hats, and those hats look like shoes. Oh, submitting billing. Submitting. Oh, out of stock. Oh shoot, that one got really close. Submitting billing. Come on, just let it happen. Okay, submitting billing for 2. Submitting billing for 3, 4. Okay. I think 10.5 is out of stock. 7.5. Oh, this is not looking good. Oh, you know what? You know what? I forgot I had some tasks down here. Wait, no, where'd they go? Quick tasks. They're still in queue. Waiting for... You're kidding me. Oh my gosh. Why didn't I get a 1-click? I thought I was gonna get 1-clicks for sure. See, that's the only thing I hate about working on servers, is that you don't have the option to have multiple monitors. So I can't put my capture queues all in one monitor and have all my bots in the other monitor. So I wasn't able to see, so I really need to rely on 1-clicks.
For anyone that doesn't know, CAPTCHAs are bot prevention countermeasures. When you're asked for a CAPTCHA, you would be asked to solve a puzzle to prove that you are not a robot. For some Shopify websites, solving CAPTCHA is the final step in checking out. There is a way to bypass this. If Google detects that you are logged into a Gmail account with lots of activities such as watching YouTube videos, commenting on videos, sending emails, etc., then instead of a puzzle, you would get a 1-click, which most bots can automatically solve.
Waiting for CAPTCHA?
Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, why are you doing this to me? Now is not the time. Now is not the time.
Yo, just submit the billing. Just do it, just submit the billing. It's not submitting the billing. It is Sunday the 20th and we were not able to get the Fear of Gods. It was a very difficult release, but here is an update of some of the things we sold during the week. Next episode, the Jordan 1 Hyper Crimsons will be dropping, and this month has been looking pretty dry as far as number of drops, so we're going to try and get as many of these as possible. See you in the next one.